Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up the sensor grids and camera views for daylight simulation. Now let's select the rooms that we want to run the simulation. So let's do open office, office, offices. Let's see. Let's just use these 5 rooms for example, and now run the command add sensor grid. So here has 2 settings. One is a daylight grid size and a daylight grid offset. The unit is the current Rhino space model. Right now I'm using meters, so the spacing of each grid point will be zero point 0.6 meter, and the offset from the ground of the room will be zero point 0.8, which is about the table height. And hit enter. So now it says 5 grid sensors are created. Because right now we are rendering a solid view here. Let's change the transparency. Let's say 20. Refresh. Now we can see the sensor grid is created for these rooms. So let's to be more organized. We can uh, create a new layer called sensor grid and use the command select sensor grids and change it to layer. Okay, now we have uh, created the sensor grids for those occupied rooms. Now next, let's try to add the camera views. So first of all, let's create a new layer called views, and now we can type in add view, enter. So now we have 2 options. So add a view from a point or current view with the current perspective view. So it will create a camera based on the current view. So if we wanna do the current view, I have to zoom in to the room and use the current view. So now it says a view perspective is created. Now if you zoom out, you can see this is the view object. Let's move to the new layer. And of course, let's try to create a new one from a point. We can place a point inside another room. So this will be a reference point. And move up 1.2 meters, which is about human's like eye height. Select the point and run the command again. Add view, enter, points. Now this one is convert to a view. Let's move it to layer. Then we can adjust the point if needed. Now we are good to go to run a daylight simulation.